If you're into self-hosting, two popular Docker dashboards are Portainer and Dockge. But here's the truth. They're not direct competitors. They're built for different levels of control. So which one actually wins? Let's break it down. Portainer is a full Docker management platform. You can manage containers, images, volumes, networks, and even Kubernetes or Docker Swarm, all from one dashboard. It also supports multi-server setups, user permissions, templates, and detailed monitoring. The biggest advantage is power. It gives you complete control over your entire Docker environment. The downside is complexity and resource usage, which can feel heavy for simple setups. Dockge takes the opposite approach. It focuses purely on Docker Compose stacks. You edit your compose.yaml files directly in a clean UI, deploy them instantly, and everything is stored on your system as normal files. No lock-in. It's lightweight, fast, and extremely simple to use, especially for home labs running a handful of services. The trade-off is features. It doesn't manage individual containers deeply, and there's no support for things like Kubernetes or multi-node setups. So the real difference is this. Portainer is a full control panel, while Dockge is a focused compose tool. If you want maximum control, advanced features, or manage multiple servers, Portainer is a better choice. If you just want a simple, fast way to deploy and manage Docker Compose apps, Dockge is the better option. Bottom line, Dockge actually wins for most self-hosters because it's simpler, lighter, and matches how people actually run their stacks. But Portainer still wins for power users and complex setups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.